In this video, we are going to start the chapter Linear Programming. So in this chapter, we are going to work with inequalities. Okay, we'll continue working with inequalities, and we are going to draw the graphs of inequalities. Okay, so in the last chapter, like towards the end of the last chapter, we talked about how to solve inequalities, right?
Yes.
So we'll just start with a revision of that part. Here you have some inequalities and we need to solve the okay, let's start with the first one. 15 plus 3x less than 21. How do you solve this?
Move 15.
So what will you write?
X 3x x equal to less than
less than
21 minus 15.
yes, that means 3x less than
3 less than 6.
yes,
6 divided by 3.
so x less than
Less than 2.
x less than 2. Okay, then how about this one? minus 4t plus 1 less than 1. Okay, what is the next step? What is the step after this?
Negative 40 less than 0.
0. Okay, and then okay, do you see okay, do you see this minus 40 less than 0?
Yes.
So what is your next step?
Division.
Division by
4.
so if you divide both sides by 4, what do you get?
T equals to 4. T less than 0.
T less than 0. When okay, what are you dividing by? Are you dividing by 4 or minus 4?
4.
If you divide by 4, you should get minus t, no?
Yeah, minus 4.
You are dividing by minus 4, right?
Yes.
If you are dividing or multiplying with a negative number, what was the rule that we learned in the last chapter? For inequalities, there is only one rule that you have to remember. And the rule is, if you are multiplying or dividing the inequality by a negative number, what did we learn? You have to reverse this inequality. This sign should be reversed. Right?
Yes.
So,
more than 0.
so you will get t is greater than
0.
0. Okay, so that's your answer. Okay.
Okay.
So don't forget this. This is the only thing you need to remember in inequalities. Okay. If you are dividing or multiplying with a negative number, you shouldn't forget to reverse this inequality. Okay. Okay, let's do one of these. Let's do C. 9 less than or equal to 3m minus 2 less than 15. Okay, how will you do this? You can first divide this by 3, right?
Yes.
Divide the whole thing by 3. So you get 3 less than or equal to
m minus 2.
m minus 2
Less than 5.
yes.
Then we plus 2. 5 less than or equal to less than 7.
Very good. So this is your inequality. Okay. So this is how you solve inequalities. Now let's find out how to draw the graph of inequalities.